Hello friends, so today we are gonna fold the bird. So if you know the bird base, that's what we're gonna do first. So I'm gonna fold this in half. Crease and then do the same thing on the other side. Open it up, and then we're gonna do the diagonal fold. Okay, crease that, open it up, then do it on the other side. Okay, so once that's done, we're gonna make our diamond. So cut the middle, then fold this outward. Same thing on the other side. So we're gonna have our diamond. Okay. I don't know what this bird is, but it's nice. So once that's done, we're gonna bring this corner in the middle, like usual. So try to have that middle as close as you can. Line that up. Crease. Then same thing on the other side. Turn it over, repeat. Okay, same thing on the other side. Crease. Okay, so we're gonna open this up, fold this in, same thing, flatten that up. It should look like this. It should have a little flap, so and then turn it over, open this one up, and fold this in. Okay, so if we did that right, we're gonna have this, the bird base. So first step is we're gonna fold this up like this. And then this one, this flap and this flap. So first step we're gonna do is just fold this like this for now. and then crease. And then this one as well, same thing. So it should look like this, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up. See this part? So open that up, and then we're just gonna try and flatten that. So see, like, so it should look like this after. So see the difference, right? So we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna open this up. And then do it like this so we can flatten. So if we did that right, it should look like this. So just crease that. Then you're gonna have this. So I'm gonna turn this over just so you can see what it looks like. Okay. What we're gonna do is go back, and then we're gonna make this thinner by just folding it like this. So just bring that into the middle. Then same thing on the other side. So it should look like this. Now let's do the other side. Same thing on top. So if we did that right, it should look like this now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, so you see this part, right? This triangle, it's at the bottom. So I'm gonna turn that over, and then I'm going to put this onto this side. And then same thing on the other one. So that it now looks like this. So what we're gonna do now is fold this in half. So I'm gonna fold it like this inside. And it should look like this now. So if you did that right, it should give you this. So let's go ahead and make the legs first. So these are the legs. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up, and then we're gonna do an inside fold like this. So I'm just gonna crimp that. You can just probably align it here in this part, but it really depends on your adjustments and everything. So we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, just crease and crimp. And then the next step would be, we're gonna open this up again, and then we're gonna do another fold like this. See it? So it should look like this. We're gonna repeat. So this one, fold it inside, and then crimp. So now you're gonna have something that looks like this. To make the feet, we're gonna go at the bottom Well, almost. Hopefully you can see that. I fold it inside like this. But then we're gonna reverse fold again. So we can make this. Okay, so I'm gonna do that again on the other side. I'm going to fold it on this side. Once you have that, just do another fold. Reverse the paper. And then crimp. So it should look like this. Okay. So they're not even okay. So if you did that right, it should look like this now. See? So hopefully this stands, but we will find out in a bit. Okay, so now that you have that, you can basically see the bird. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up and then fold it like this. You see? And then try and get this line in the middle. Just slowly flatten that so we don't tear the paper. Right? So it should look like this now. And then to make the head, we're just gonna open this up again and then do a reverse fold like this. See that? Hopefully. So we're gonna do it again. So this is how it looked like. So we're just going to go and get that fold. And then flatten that part. Okay, so actually it's looking like a bird now. Last step is we're just gonna make the beak. So we're just going to fold this inside like this and then do another fold again, just like what we did with the feet. So you can adjust this however you feel like, but it's gonna look like this if you did it right. Let's see. And then just crimp that so that you can have your beak. Okay, and we're done. So this dude looks like this, and generally it can stand, but we're gonna see what happens. Okay, so if that doesn't work, you just adjust this and then just crimp it and then hopefully if I did the angles right, it should be able to stand. Okay, nice. So that is our fold. It's a really interesting fold, and it looks really nice once it's done. So that's our fold for today. I hope you make a lot of them, and as usual, happy folding.